What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm actually super excited to share this lesson with you guys. This just came out, which is Daylight by Diplo and Joji. So this is a very nice song to play on the guitar, and it's actually pretty easy to play. So I'm just going to show you exactly what all chords are actually used in the song. That goes well for the piano and the ukulele also. So let's get started. As you can see, we don't have any capo and it's obviously in the standard tuning. So firstly, let's have a look at the structure. We start with the intro, then you have the verse, then you have the pre-chorus, then you have the chorus. And after that, we have another verse, another pre-chorus, another chorus. So if I say total, there are actually 3 parts to learn. And it's very simple, and I'm just going to simplify that more. So let's get started. Let's have a look at the chords. Very easy open chord shapes. Just we have a B minor over there. Now start off with the first chord, E minor, which is 0 2 2 0 0 0. Next chord will be a C, which is mute 3 2 0 1 0. Then a G, 3 2 open 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 3, but that doesn't make any sense. You can even play 3 3 on the B string, or you can even just make that off. Same thing after all. D, which is mute mute open second third second. And lastly a B minor chord, which is played mute. Then your index finger barring the whole second fret, and you got your middle finger on the third fret of the B string, and you got your ring and your pinky on the fourth fret of the D and G string. So we got mute 2 4 4 3 2, and that's basically the B minor chord. If you struggle a lot playing the bar chords, drop a comment down below, and I will actually provide you with a link which will just direct you to one of my videos where I show you how to master a bar chord. Now before starting the lesson, I just want to say that you make sure that you hit that subscribe button, because I just want to reach 2K subs as fast as possible. And you can see I'm working super hard on it. Tomorrow is Friday, obviously a lot of music is coming out. Maybe in some of your places actually Friday, but for me it's still Thursday right now. So never mind, let's proceed further. So let's have a look at the rhythm, and if I show you the rhythm, everything will be actually clear and you will be able to make out your own string pattern. So let's focus on that rhythm. So in the song, the beat is actually on third. So 1, 2, 4. So the rhythm goes 1, 2, 3, 4. So on the third count, we have the beat. So we're just gonna emphasize a lot on that one. So you just keep your hand and do some muted strums, which will be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and you're just gonna go and practice this. Post the video, practice this for like 2 minutes, and it will be actually crystal clear for you guys when I'm just gonna proceed further and show you more. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. One main thing is always keep your hand moving, whether you are strumming or not. That will actually help you to sing along while you're playing. 3, 4. Now the rhythm is done. So let's have a look at the intro, the verse. Verse 1 equal to the verse 2. So we just have two chords for this part, which will be a E minor, then the G major. You can use some variation of the chords if you want, but still E minor and the G major, and you're just gonna apply that rhythm in your head, which you got 1, 2, 4. So you got 3, 4. So on the 1, 2, and the 4, what you can do is you can just do some muted strum, or you can just even like avoid the strumming. You can just 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6. So it goes like E minor, then a G, E minor, G, and we just alternate between the two chords for the intro and the verse. So we're just gonna play 1, 2, 3, 4. So you do a down, basically just pick the bass note, which will be a E string for both of the chords. You play the bass note, and then you do a down, and you just keep your hand on the string to get the sound of the chord major. So and you say 1, 2, 3, 4 in your mind. 1, 2, 3, 4. You move on to the G, do the exact same thing and do the exact same count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go to E minor, and you just alternate between those two chords, and that will be enough. Now there's a play along at the beginning of the video. If you have watched, you will know. So make sure after you just learn everything, you just play along with me. It will help you a lot in getting to that rhythm, and you'll actually have a lot of fun jamming out there. 2, 3, 4. Bit advanced. When you are saying 1, 2, 3, 4, what you can do is you can keep your hand on you. You can do anything you want. You can do some muted strums and all. I like to do. That helps me to be in the dynamic of the song. Never mind, let's proceed further. The pre-chorus. For the pre-chorus, we got 4 chords. We start with an E minor, then a G major, then a C, then a D, and that goes in a loop for the pre-chorus one as well as for the pre-chorus 2. And that's the reason I told you the song is super easy. So the string pattern. Again, have that in mind. 1, 2, 4. So over here on the 1, 2, and the 4, we are just doing a very soft down, which mainly focuses on strumming the bass note of any chord. So we're just gonna do. See, on the third beat, I do a down, which strums a full chord, and therefore I have that accent over there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4. On the G major, you do the exact same thing. What you're gonna do is you can do 1, 2, 3, 4, and it means that when you're just moving on to the next chord, you're just gonna do an up, and then you're just gonna move on to the next chord. So like whenever you just move on to the next chord, you're just gonna do a down up. Again, it will help you to be in the dynamic of the song. And on the other hand, if you're actually slow in changing the chord position, it will help you a lot, because people will think you're already playing and you're not stepping in between. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. So E minor, down, 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 down. After that, you move on to the chorus. After playing the D major chord, you let that ring and you move on to the chorus. And for the chorus, the chord progression changes. It's a C, then a G, then a D major, then a B minor, and that goes for the second chorus as well. And the string pattern is kind of very smooth over here. Very basic. Down, down, up, up, down. One more. Down, down, up, up, down. Once for each chord, and that will be enough. So down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down. Kind of break the string pattern down, down, up, up, down. It's a lot easier for you. And you just do that once for each chord, and you're actually done. So let's play that on C, G, D, B minor. And make sure you go super slow. And that's pretty much everything you need for this lesson, guys. If you want, make sure to drop in one of these. Again, just play along with me at the beginning. We'll have a lot of fun playing that song, and this is actually a super dope song. So make sure to hit the subscribe button, and let me know down below any other song that you want to learn on guitar. And I'll see you guys back in the next video. So then, bye.